Our clients are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love to share it, and that's because we're focused on giving each client a 5-star experience. Let me share with you what one of our clients had to recently say about us.
Naomi continues to help our staff with marketing. She is great in coming up with creative ideas. She's personable, extremely patient, and she gets the job done. She is excellent in her field. We have recommended her to several doctors and will continue to do so. She is someone that you would want on your team.
Reviews like this motivate us to keep working hard for them and all of our clients, providing the best service possible now and in the future. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. So the only question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? See what excellent results we can achieve working for you by utilizing our extensive knowledge and experience. We look forward to speaking with you today. We are only one call away from serving you.